Hey kids, wanted you to see this. This is out the front windshield. I don't know if you can see the water already, but I was going to head into Mountain View, but honestly I don't know if I'm going to make it or not. Here, let's go over to this window. Well, let's see. As you can see, the flash flooding has started already. And this is just the beginning, kids. Wow. And everything is so wet and saturated because we've had so much rain. This will put us over 20 inches of rain since the 1st of November. Lots of thunder, lots of lightning. Wow. All right, more later.